Hello and welcome to CERN. CERN is the European Laboratory for Particle Physics here in Geneva. We're at point 1 of the LHC, which is a large collider underneath the ground. And here at point 1, about 100 meters down below the surface, is where is the ATLAS detector, one of the largest and most complex scientific instruments known to mankind. Inside this building are my colleagues who are trying to run that detector and also extract the physics from the detector that will help us to understand the basic building blocks of the universe. But I'm not interested in what's going on inside there. I'm really interested in what's going on outside here. Every time I walk by this building, I see this beautiful painting getting larger and larger. I'm here with Joseph Kristofoletti, who's an artist who's painted enormous paintings like this before, but probably never of a detector. Or maybe you have. Joseph, tell me, what is it you're painting here and why?
Well, I'm here to paint kind of an icon of the image of the ATLAS detector, and actually I have done it one time before.
You've painted the ATLAS detector before? Mm-hmm. Where did you do that?
I did it for a show in Charleston, South Carolina, at the Contemporary Art Center there.
Well, what inspired you to paint the ATLAS detector?
3 years ago, I saw some images of some photos of this experiment, and I think I had a dream about it, and it kind of looked like this giant crystal. I didn't really understand what they were doing or what the experiment was about. I knew it was studying fundamental physics, and so I had this idea to paint the image and do a mural of it.
Where are you from?
Austin, Texas.
You're from Austin, Texas. And you studied art?
Yeah, in the School of the Art Institute of Chicago.
At the School of the Art Institute of Chicago. When you studied art, though, you learned a little bit about physics?
Yeah, I took a physics class, and you know, a lot of artists are interested in other things besides art, so they offer, you know, a lot of interesting classes.
Is that the size of ATLAS?
No, it's a little bit smaller just because the building wasn't big enough.
I see over here at the end you have actually it's a physics event.
It's actually a black hole event. So.
That's a black hole.
From what they tell me, you can't actually see a black hole, but this is the signature of what would be left behind in the detector after a black hole event.
So Joseph Kristofoletti, I want to thank you very much for coming out here and taking the time away from your painting of the ATLAS mural, and I look forward to seeing its completion. You're gonna have physics inside that? An event?
Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be a Higgs event on this side.
Excellent, excellent. I hope they find it in there before you paint it there. But either way, it's just fine with me. Thank you again.
Thank you.